Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Just got back from a shoot from Negeri Sembilan. It's around like 2 a.m. in the morning right now. We're shooting for one of my good friends, an amazing band here in Malaysia, Night Skies and Visions. They're really nice people. They make really good music. And so, yeah, I guess like one of the things that I really like to see is like how people shoot. And people really seem to enjoy this like over on the camera kind of look. So basically this video is a behind the scenes of how I shoot a live concert. This is a very underground concert that I was shooting. It was really fun, and basically the idea is you are this DJI Osmo Action. You're going to be on top of my camera, basically on top here, and you're seeing exactly what I'm seeing, and put up some pictures as well. So the gear that I was using is the 5D Mark IV, the battery grip, ultra wide angle 16 to 35 f4, the 15mm 1.2 lovely lens, as well as the Beast, the 70 to 200 f2.8 version 3. I use this together with this whole fast gear strap that I just used, connect everything together so that I can quickly change lenses in and out. And that was about it. And yes, this DJI Osmo Action essentially just goes on top of the camera. Yeah, I wasn't using flash. It was a 30-minute set, around there-ish, give or take. And so, you know what, let's just not waste any more time. Let's go straight into the shoot. Nice. Ready? 1, 2. And okay. No worries. Okay, so that was the shoot. I got a lot of really nice pictures that I really enjoyed. Hope you learned something from this. If you have any questions about photography, about cameras and things like that, do let me know in the comments down below or drop me a message and things like that. I answer as much as I can. You can contact me on Instagram. Right here, I've got 2 accounts. You can ask either one of those. Thank you so much for watching again. I am going to sleep now, so I will catch you in the next video. Peace. I'm gonna close this door. Bye bye.